Looking at the fastest ways on how we can move data around within our Excel sheets then, and we're not having to mess up the columns. So what we would normally see is a lot of people would copy and paste over the data like so, and then potentially delete the column that they had before. But what you might also see is if people select column B, for instance, then press the X button and then copy it into that next row there, you can see that it cuts it at the same time. So it does the same thing as copy and paste. But what about if you just want to actually move it without deleting any of the data and rearranging it? Well, what we can do for columns then is we can select the column that we want. So we can go with column B to start. We could then hold the shift button and we can see that we get this like little 4-pointed arrows that go in different directions like so. Once we've done that and then we press shift, then what we can do is we can drag it, and where you can see this line now, okay, that is where we're going to move that column to. So if we wanted to move it in between columns C and D, then we could hold it and just bring it here. And now we can see that it moved the first name over and the last name there. Again, we can just move this as we need to do and then changing it around. So now we have the last name, first name, country. And if we wanted to put the country into the middle, we can do it like so. And it's just a really quick and easy way of moving stuff about without having to rearrange all the columns. And this works exactly the same way if we wanted to do something with the rows as well. So again, we can select the rows, or you can select the data that you specifically have. We can hold the shift button and then we can move it down, and we can see that we get a line again exactly where we're going to move it to. We can release, and then once we've released, we can see that that moves about for us. So say we want to move Tommy down 1, then we can move Tommy down 1. And again, this works with the whole row. So you can select the number 5 there, like so. And we can move that and say we want that to be the top and just do what we need to do there. So they're the fastest and easiest ways that you can move data around without having to copy and paste it. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.